Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will work on a big hip circle, and a basis for this circle is a regular hip circle, and a link to this movement you will have up here. If you don't know how to do it or you want to brush up on this movement, do it because it will be really helpful. And this time we will have a wider position of our legs and feet, and we can stay with our knees legs straight. And what we want to do is to have our basic hip circle and just make it bigger. So I'm making the movement more spacious to the front and in the back. This is the same circle, parallel to the floor, but just bigger. And you see that the bigger the movement, the more visible response in my upper body is. So when I'm going with the circle in the front, I lean back a little bit. When I go to the back, I'm a little bit in the front in my upper body. But you have to remember that the movement is based on our hips, so you don't want to have this and no hips. This is just a response. So here in the upper body, everything works in accordance to what is happening in our hips. The bigger the circle, the bigger the response, but always the hips are the basics. For now you can relax the upper body, relax your arms and just make a big circle in your hips. And we change the sides. The upper body responses and our hips are making a big circle. And now I want to do something with my hands because they're a little bit sad, just hanging. And we will do a basic, really simple movement. We will close our hands towards ourselves and open outside, towards and outside, in and out, in and out. And they work exactly like my body. So when I'm in the front with my hips, I'm open, so the arms are open. And then when I go to the back, I close, so my arms are closed. And open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, and change the sides. And open, close, open, close, open, close, and open, close. And if I want to make this circle even bigger, then I will have to use my knees. So here I can bend the knees to make the circle bigger in the front and of course bigger in the back. But beware, every time you go here to the front, you have to remember about your back. So you don't want to have something like this because your backbone is not able to be straight in this position. You go as far as your backbone allows you to keep straight back. If it's like this, it's okay. Don't go here because you will look not good, to say the least. If you can go more, but remember that this is only the response. So you have to make big hips in order to have your upper body in a lower position. So once again, open, close, and open, close, and open, close, and open, and change sides, and open, close, and open, close, and open, close, and open, and close. And this is how you do big hip circle. So if you like this episode and you've managed to do a big hip circle, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss new episodes from this and other series on my YouTube channel. And if you have any more questions or doubts, leave a comment below in the comment section and I will answer. And if you are interested in more advanced tutorials, whole combinations and choreographies, check out my Udance online profile where I'll be posting more and more of those, and I will leave link to this profile in the description box below this video. And if you want to gather knowledge about oriental dance, the belly dance styles, language, history, culture, psychology, all oriental dance related, of course, check out my Tahira belly dance diary series here on my YouTube channel. I also encourage you to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account where I post a lot of things connected with my daily oriental dance life and more. And of course, let's meet here next week for the new episode of Belly Dance with Tahira. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!